All right, guys, this is our 23-24 Mosaic Fast Break Hobby PYT 781. We're going to have 12 packs, 12 cards per pack. There should be one auto, fast break auto per box on average. You guys are guessing the player on that last auto. You do not have to be in the break to guess. So get your guesses in the chat now. Let's get started. Good luck to everybody. There's Mark Williams, Max Struess, DeAndre Hunter, Paolo Banchero, Gary Harris, Nikola Vucevic, LaMelo Ball, Bilal Coulibaly, Kevin Durant, Sasha Vezenkov, Stairmasters of Jason Tatum, and a fast break parallel Isaac Okoro. Next pack. Terrence Mann, Gordon Hayward, Trey Murphy, Tyler Hero, Jimmy Butler, Al Horford, Keldon Johnson, Patrick Beverly. Then we got Mystic right there, rookie, LeBron James, City Edition, Scoot Henderson, rookie, fast break parallel of Jonas Valanciunas. Kevin Huerter, Jalen Johnson, Naz Reid, Jabari Smith, Cameron Thomas, Jakob Poeltl, Kyrie Irving, Emmanuel Quickley, Cason Wallace, Cam Whitmore, Giannis, and we got Zach Collins on the Mosaic, base Mosaic right there. Pascal Siakam, D'Angelo Russell, a little sticking right there. Derrick Jones Jr., Steph Curry, Cam Reddish, Brook Lopez, Alex Caruso, Cason Wallace, Andre Jackson, Imani Bates, montage of Zion Williamson, Zaire Williams, 16 out of 50 on that Zaire Williams on the purple fast break parallel. Our next pack here. Up next after this one is 24 Topps Chrome Baseball Hobby Box Break PYT 787. Tyrese Halliburton, Matisse Thybulle, Zach LaVine, Dorian Finney-Smith, Michael Porter Jr., Damian Lillard, Miles Bridges, Trae Young. We got Shaquille O'Neal, Chris Livingston, Grady Dick, and Magic Johnson on the fast break NBA Greats parallel right there. Halfway through the box after this pack, we got Rui Hachimura for the Lakers, Zach Collins, Spencer Dinwiddie, Caleb Martin, Kobe White, Darius Garland, Eric Gordon, Taylor Hendricks, Jaime Jaquez, Keontae George, Jason Tatum, 41 out of 85 on the montage there. The blue montage for the Celtics. And then we have Markelle Fultz for the Magic. We'll top load what we have here. Then we'll finish the second half of this box. We should still have our auto lurking here. If by chance that auto is replaced by Panini points, we do random those points off to someone in the break. If anybody is in the break and that auto is replaced by Panini points, you do have a chance to hit those. You guys get those guesses in for the player on the last auto. Like that. Jordan Clarkson, Jalen Williams, Malik Beasley, Malik Monk, Taylor Horton Tucker, Obi Toppin, Donovan Mitchell, Azura Thompson on the debut, Maxwell Lewis, Trae Young, Caleb Martin, Lauri Markkanen, Quentin Grimes, Mike Conley, Jeremy Shochan, Jalen Duren, DeAndre Ayton, Fred Van Fleet, Terry Rozier, Joel Embiid, G.G. Jackson, Anthony Black on the NBA debut, Jaime Jaquez on the debut. That is out of 28 out of 20 on the Jaime for the Miami Heat. Again, up next is our 2024 Topps Chrome Hobby Box PYT 787. Then we're going to follow that up with a football break. 2024 Prestige H2 PYT 801. Then we end the night with our 23 Topps Platinum Anniversary baseball break. There's Precious Achua, Anthony Edwards, Zion Williamson, Luka Doncic, Norman Powell, Jaden Ivey, Chris Paul, Marcus Sasser, Dirk Nowitzki, Amen Thompson. This is going to be our auto here. Good luck to everybody who guessed the player on the auto. Let me set these down. That. Bill Laimbeer, fast break auto. Bill Laimbeer for the Pistons. Bill Laimbeer is the auto. If that Amen Thompson was one card deeper in the deck, it would have been the auto. Bill Laimbeer. Maxine's Prosper on the no huddle or fast break parallel. Yeah, you got the Pistons player, just the wrong one. Chet Holmgren, Ben Simmons, Austin Reeves, Jordan Poole, OG Anunoby, DeJounte Murray, Simon Fonte Chicho. Man, I really butchered that. Marcus Sasser, Amari Bailey, Jason Tatum, Azura Thompson for the Pistons on the introduction. Then we got Grant Williams on our fast break parallel. 2 packs left. 3 breaks left after this tonight, guys. We have Bam Adebayo, John Collins, Bogdan Bogdanovic, Dylan Brooks, Jaden Hardy, Jalen Suggs, Draymond Green, DeAnthony Melton, Ranyan Rupert, Derek Lively Jr. on the debut, City Sissoko, Amen Thompson's going to be our rookie variation for the Houston Rockets. Rookie variation. Nick, we're not currently buying any cards back. Jonathan Kuminga, Jared Allen, Tavius Caldwell Pope, Russell Westbrook, Aaron Gordon, John Morant, Keegan Murray, Devin Booker. There's a Luka on the City Edition Andre Jackson Jr., Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, and we have a blue NBA greats, Charles Barkley. That one is out of 85, 36 out of 85. I'll top load what we have here, then we will do our recap, move on to that Topps Chrome baseball hobby. Again, that is the next break in line. There's Caleb Martin, Jaime Jaquez out of 20, Maxine's Prosper, Grant Williams, Amen Thompson, Charles Barkley out of 85, Isaac Okoro, Jonas Valanciunas, Zaire Williams out of 50, Magic Johnson, Jason Tatum, that's out of 85, 41 out of 85. Markelle Fultz and Bill Laimbeer, our fast break auto. All right, guys, that does it for this one. Let's move on to our Topps Chrome Hobby Box Baseball Break 2024.